Hi, it's here for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So to do that, we should first open notification panel shortcuts, and now here we should find the scan QR code icon. Just click to this icon, and now we should just find a QR code. So to place the QR code into this frame. Now just wait a second, and here we can see it as find link, so we can open this link just directly or just to copy it and to share with someone or just open the browser. So let's just click to open the link, and we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.